Okay guys, we are back. We have everything ready to start with our craft. Oh wow! We have all our materials? Yes, we have all our materials. We're gonna tell our friends what we're gonna need. Oh wow, that's so nice. I feel excited. I can't wait to be the Statue of Liberty and have a big crown and hold a beautiful torch. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. Actually, we're gonna become the Statue of Liberty. So it's gonna be so much fun. All right, I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna let you work. I'm gonna be watching, guys. Thank you so much, Pedro. Okay, Pedro is gonna sit right here next to me, actually in front of me, so he can see all that we're gonna do. So our materials. What are we gonna need is a paper plate. If you have 2 or 3, that's perfect. But if you don't have 3 paper plates and just have 1, that's fine. You can use only 1 and then a piece of paper. Then we need also glue. We need tape. If you don't have tape, that's fine. That's why we have the glue. We're gonna need we're gonna need this. This is from the toilet paper. When the toilet paper it's gone, like we finish it, this is the part that it's at the end. So they roll the toilet paper around this thing. So we're gonna need one of this, and we're gonna need scissors. We're gonna need a brush to paint, and we're gonna need some paint, some colors like these ones. We're gonna need red, yellow, white, green, and black. In case you don't have this kind of paint, don't worry. You always can use color pencils or crayons or chalk. Okay, so if you don't have this kind of paint, you can always use these color pencils and just color. That's very fun as well. I love to do that too. So those are our materials. Now that we have them ready, we're gonna start with our crown. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna grab one of our plates, the paper plates, and we're gonna cut right here. We're gonna make a line. You can mark a line actually with your pencil or a pen. You can mark a line just from one side to another side. It doesn't have to be in the middle. Actually, it has to be almost at the bottom of the plate. Right there. You see it? Right there. We can make a line, or we just have to ask for some help from our grown-ups and then just cut it. So that's our first step. We're gonna make a line and then we're gonna cut right there. Very careful. Be careful with the scissors. If you are using it by yourself, you have to be very careful. If somebody's helping us, that's fine too. We can watch and see and be very aware of what they're doing so we can learn how to do it. Okay, so this is the way that it's gonna look when we finish cutting. You see, we have 2 parts. Don't throw it away. We're gonna need this part. Once you have this, we're gonna put it on the side and we're gonna cut inside of this semicircle. This is a semicircle, right? It was a circle before we cut it. It looked like this, and then when we cut the bottom part, it became a semicircle. All right, so now that we have our semicircle, what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow the line. These paper plates, they have a mark inside. So we're gonna cut right here. It's gonna be a circle, a semicircle, the one that we're gonna cut inside. So let's start. If you want, same thing. You can mark a semicircle inside, so you have a line, and then you just have to cut. You just have to follow the line and cut. So we're gonna start doing it. This is gonna be our crown. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's all right. You don't have to worry if the circle is not perfect. That's totally fine. We're gonna cut. We're gonna do it very carefully, slowly. There's no rush at all. And this is the way it's gonna look. This is gonna be our crown. Look at this. There you go. So we have to work more on it, but this is more or less the way it's gonna look, okay? All right, so now that we have our crown, we're gonna put it on the side and we're gonna continue. Now we're gonna do our spikes. So don't throw away this part that you just cut from the semicircle. Don't throw it away. We're gonna use it, okay? Remember, we love to recycle, so we don't throw away. We put it on the side, and now, you know the Statue of Liberty have 7 spikes. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, so we're gonna make 7 spikes that we're gonna paste in our beautiful crown. How we're gonna do it? Well, very easy. So from this little piece, we're gonna mark a triangle, as many as we can. They don't have to be very, very big, but we don't want them very, very small or tiny, because they need to, you know, show on the crown. So I'm gonna mark. Probably I'm gonna take 2 spikes from this little piece. I'm gonna draw them with my pencil, or if you have a pen, and we're gonna make a triangle like this. If we cannot do it by ourselves, then we can ask for some help. I bet our grown-ups will love to help us doing this craft. So look, I have 2 right there. Can you see it? Very nice. Now I'm gonna cut them and I come back so you can see the way they look. Give me a second.